have breaking news for you, and this is with regards to BSF now detaining a Pakistani national at the border. Pakistani currency, in fact, was recovered from this very intruder once he was caught. These are the visuals of this very intruder being caught by the BSF and the currency that he was carrying and was recovered from him. BSF detains the Pakistani national near IB in Suchetgarh and recovers the Pakistani currency from him. This is the press release that's been made by the BSF. On 7 September, that is just yesterday at about, we see in the late hours of the night, BSF troops in fact observed suspicious movement wherein a Pak national was observed crossing the IB and approaching aggressively towards the border fence in the Tehsil Suchetgarh, and this is in Jammu. He was warned by alert troops but paid no heed, and BSF troops in fact sensed the threat, fired on him, and then he was taken into the BSF custody. Later on, during questioning, it is that then when he revealed his identity as Siraj Khan and that he's from Tehsil Bhalwal, district Sargodha in Punjab, Pakistan. During search, Pakistan currency which was recovered from him, that we are showing to you on your screens right now, he has been currently handed over to the police, protest being lodged with the counterpart. Now, these are the details we have been able to gather at this given point on the very intruder, and also how he ended up crossing the border, coming this side, and then getting into the BSF custody. That is when the BSF instead, in fact, nabbed him. Now we have Jitendra Bahadur joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details on this very story. Jitendra, very good afternoon to you. आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी और क्या जानकारी मिल रही है, ये पुलिस कस्टडी में है अभी, BSF कस्टडी से ट्रांसफर होकर, हम और क्या जान सकते हैं इसके बारे में?
देखिए, ये जो पाकिस्तानी नेशनल्स है, इसने घुसपैठ किया है। घुसपैठ करने के बाद BSF की तरफ से इसको चेज किया गया बॉर्डर पर। मल्टी एजेंसी पूछताछ इससे की गई, जिसमें IB, मिलिट्री इंटेलिजेंस, इसके साथ साथ BSF और तमाम एजेंसियों ने पूछताछ किया है। इससे लगातार जानकारी ली जा रही कि किस मकसद से इसने घुसपैठ किया, लेकिन जिस तरीके की सिचुएशन इस वक्त बॉर्डर पर है, उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए BSF जो है 24/7 अलर्ट पर है।
जी जितेंद्र, हमें ये सारी जानकारी देने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।